What's going on, dreamers? Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to build meaningful and beneficial relationships for yourself as a dreamer, okay? Relationships are super important. Now, these relationships that I'm speaking of are not necessarily talking about the people in your inner circle. These are the relationships that help you get to where you want to go. These are the business relationships. These are the partnerships that you will be forming as you are along your journey to your dream. And so I'm going to give you 3 practical steps, 3 practical things that you can do in order to build meaningful and beneficial relationships. So you are someone that is looking to build meaningful and beneficial relationships in your life as you are on the journey to your dream. Now, this is so important because at the end of the day, no one can do life alone. I know that you may feel like you have been going by yourself for a long time and you have been making it and you've been making things shake. And I want to applaud you for that because that is very difficult to do. But when you are talking about your ultimate dream, your life dream, the dream that is going to put you into a whole new level, the dream that is going to establish your legacy, the dream that is fulfilling your purpose, you need meaningful and beneficial relationships. Okay, so these 3 simple steps, these 3 simple tips that I'm going to give you in this video are truly going to help you build those relationships so that way you can accelerate your progress to your dream. Okay, so the first thing that you can do to build meaningful and beneficial relationships is to be professional. Be professional. Now, with being professional, I'm not talking about being suit and tie and always, I'm not talking about that type of professional. Okay, because I think we can see the way things are going, the definition of professional has changed. When I'm talking professional, I'm mainly talking about being prompt. I'm mainly talking about communicating well. I'm talking about just handling your business. Okay, handling your business as a dreamer. One thing that is a really easy tip I'll give to you, this is a nice little gem, be on time to stuff. All right, be on time. If anything, be early. All right, operate under the rules that if you're early, you're on time. If you're on time, you're late. And if you're late, don't even bother showing up. All right, if you treat all of your meetings that way, if you treat the way that you work that way, I promise you that you are going to really build meaningful and beneficial relationships because people are really going to appreciate that, because unfortunately that is a rare characteristic of people. That is a rare characteristic of a lot of people when you talk about just being professional in terms of being on time, being professional. Okay, so number 1, if you want to build meaningful and beneficial relationships, you want to be professional. Okay. The second thing, if you are looking to build meaningful and beneficial relationships, is you want to be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. All right. At the end of the day, yes, you may be dealing with some very difficult people. All right. A lot of times, as entrepreneurs, creatives, things like that, you are basically in the people business. You are in the people service business. And if there's one thing you know about people, is one thing I know about people. People sometimes can be very difficult, okay? But one thing that you need to understand is that people have emotions, that people are human too. Okay, so not everyone is having the best of days. Sometimes you're going to be interacting with people on their worst of days. You're going to be interacting with people on their best of days, and you're going to be interacting with people with everything in between. Okay, but you need to be able to keep a level of professionalism. That's why professionalism is number 1. To keep a level of professionalism to stay kind. All right, because you never know that you being kind to that one person when they're having a bad day could change how they view you. It could help build, like I said, that meaningful and beneficial relationship, because you could have been the difference between them having a really bad day and you could turn their whole day around just because you stayed kind. All right, so it's super important to stay kind. Be kind regardless of if they may be getting on your nerves. Stay kind regardless if they're making a lot of demands. Stay kind regardless if even they're getting on your nerves. Whatever it is, be kind. Be professional, be kind. All right? Those are the first 2. And the last thing, and this is the most important thing if you were talking about building meaningful and beneficial relationships, is you want to provide value to people. Okay? Why should someone actually be in relationship with you? Why should someone actually be in contact with you? You want to make sure that you are providing value. Now, value does not necessarily mean money all the time. Value does not even necessarily mean business all the time. But when you are professional, when you're kind, someone may want to just have a beneficial relationship with you just because you always put a smile on their face, just because you are always helping them and you always are just you are light to them whenever they interact with you, that they basically could get joy out of simply interacting with you because you are being professional and you're being kind. And that to them is a level of value. Okay, and not for nothing, a lot of the times when you have people like that, they'll want to do business with you as well. Okay, so those are the three things. I want you to be professional, be kind, and provide value. Okay, now one of the things that I love to do to provide value to my people is that I have free dream accountability meetings that you can register for on our website at craftyourdream.org, where you can sit down with me for 30 minutes and we are going to talk through your clear vision, your 100% effort and consistency, so that way you can live the life of your dreams. Now, another way that Craft Your Dream here provides value to you, so that we can build a meaningful relationship with you, because I would love to be in a meaningful and beneficial relationship to you, is that we have events every single month that help dreamers like yourself live the life of your dreams. Every single month there is a different topic that pertains to dreamers that will certainly help you. You walk away from all of our events knowing exactly what you need to do. So I encourage you to also go on our website and register for one of our events. craftyourdream.org, once again, is the website. I look forward to meeting with you. I look forward to getting to know you. I look forward to involving you into our solar system here at Craft Your Dream. And more importantly than that, I really want you to build meaningful and beneficial relationships, so that way you can live the life of your dreams, and that you can also just build out a solar system of incredible individuals, so that way you can be closer to your dream and live the life of your dreams and live out your purpose today, right now.